Howdy. How y'all doing this evening? Um, Gosh, how do I put this? Um, I share what I experience, and so experience is a teacher, yeah, because we're going to get the feedback. And so I was thinking about healing, and if you, for those that have watched a lot of the videos, the experiences that I've had about places that I've gone, and how I do what I do and why I do what I do with the energy that I am, and what it was like when I share with others what it means to be on fire. Okay, so I know what it's like to be on fire, and why is fire so important? Well, I can share with you because I'm fully integrated what it means to be mated, which is an oversoul, which means, right, the negative and the positive magnetic polarity that oscillate on the horizontal beam, just like in gymnastics, right? Going east and west, if you will, between the negative and the positive magnetic polarity that are going back. So you have clockwise and then you have counterclockwise. So you have the spin, right? So sometimes what I do is I explain this as if you have, the 12 to the 12, 3, 6, 9, but then you go back to 12 again, right? Because which is another 3. So you have 3 on the other side and 3 on the other side, right? Negative complex number space, positive complex number space, right? If you want to use the quad, sure, that's cool because that's 4 square, right? A tetrahedron. And then you have 3 points that make up a triangle. Okay, so you have 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is 7. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so now you're in the division and the multiplication and the torque speed difference between multiplication and division and addition and subtraction. So when you're mated, soul mated, twin spirit, twin braided, wound tighter than a drum, you're spinning so fast, both clocks zero out. That's pure consciousness. That is the pure, eternal, absolute love consciousness field. That's the first field. That's first consciousness. That's first pure, eternal love consciousness field. It's non-gender. It's neutral. I am neutral and equal unto all of you, which is every living light organism or every living spirit, every living life form is equal unto what I am. I'm giving love to. That's full integration. That's what I am. So you can imagine how much fire that is when you have, if you will, the spirit in a girl, the spirit in a boy, eyes to eyes, soul to soul, spirit to spirit, that are on fire to be with each other. Those two magnets come together to become one. So we're never separated from each other, ever. That's a blast furnace. That's the eternal spirit of fire. Because that eternal spirit of fire is what purifies us. That is a cosmic level firewall, known as a cosmic level spirit shield. And I know that because I experienced that. So I thought I'd share that because of experiences that I have with others that I have to remind myself of what I am. Eternal spirit of fire. Because I'm on fire to give energy away in order to heal others. Because I am in a place that requires a lot of healing. Because when I was a little boy and I came in here, I was measuring the planetary consciousness terrain, the galactic and the universal terrain to experience the loss and gain of energy. between sound and light. How much are we losing? And how fast are we losing it? That is a measurement of our fire, which is our spirit, which is how much we are on fire to give love away. Gifting electrons at the highest rate of acceleration, which means we are accelerators. That's what it means to be on fire, to accelerate electrons, so that we are gifting electrons that are equally distributed. So that means that every wave, which is every plasma wave, is equal unto every other wave that we have balanced out. And that's called an equilibrium state in liquid plasma consciousness. Because that consciousness is as pure as it gets, which is as hot as it gets, which is why that electron is being gifted at the highest rate of speed, because that consciousness does not hold on to one electron. That is the eternal spirit of fire, which is the eternal spirit of absolute pure love, so that every single life form is experiencing what we are, which is pure, eternal, absolute love. That is a firewall that protects the shield. It's the eternal spirit of fire, the crystalline shield. So I thought I'd share that because that's what I'm experiencing, being on fire, that I share with all of you. Have a good night. We love you all. Be good to yourselves.